Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
While looking to the right, stand with your elbows bent at 90-degree angles, bringing your right arm up and your left arm down, with your fingers spread out, and point the toes of your right foot up. On the fourth count, curl your fingers in, then turn to the left, switch the positions of your arms, and bring the toes of your left foot up as you bend over slightly and look down, then spread your fingers out again on the sixth count. Curl your fingers in on the eighth count, then look at the camera. Step in a bit with your left foot as you turn to face the camera and begin to bring your arms down and in. Then step in place on your right foot before bringing your left foot forward a bit as you move your arms up and out, then down until they are slightly away from your sides. Bend your knees a bit, then look to the right, then the left. Stand up and bring your left knee up as you extend your right arm straight up and move your left fist near your left shoulder. Lower your left foot and place your right hand on the inside of your left elbow. Extend your left arm straight out to the left as you turn your knees out, bringing the toes of your left foot and the heel of your right foot off the floor. Bend your left elbow to bring your arm back in as you turn your knees in, then extend your right arm straight out to the right as you bring the toes of your right foot and the heel of your left foot off the floor. Bring your right arm and knees back in, then bend your left elbow and left wrist and turn your left hand outward twice as you move your legs in the same manner as before. Repeat all of these movements in the opposite direction. Use the same footwork from the previous section. When your knees turn in, bend your right elbow to bring your right arm up. Move to the left as you extend your right arm down and to the left, then repeat these moves in the opposite direction. When your knees turn in, move your crossed arms up in front of your face. When your knees turn out, uncross your arms and extend your index fingers. When your knees turn in, move your hands down, then when your knees turn out again, bring your hands back together. When your knees turn in again, repeat the moves from this section. Once you finish, straighten your legs and lower your arms. Swing your right arm over to the left and bend your left elbow to bring your left forearm in front of your right arm as you turn your upper body to the left. Turn to face the camera again and bend both elbows to bring your fists near your sides. Move your fists forward slightly, then pull them back in as you kick back with your left foot, then do the same on the right. Bend over and extend your arms downward, then bend your wrists 3 times as you stand back up and move your arms straight up above your head. Pull your fist down as you kick back with your left foot again, then repeat this move on the right. Lean forward slightly as you bend your right elbow and wrist and point forward and to the left with your right hand, then cross your left arm over your right arm in the same manner. Uncross your arms and stand up straight, then move your hands up so that they are about level with your face as you kick back with your left foot before doing the same on the right. Bring your feet together with small steps as you swing your arms in and down, then out and up. Put your left fist on your hip as you extend your right arm straight up in the air and kick back with your left foot, then repeat this move in the opposite direction. Bend your knees inward and lean down as you turn both hands in circles on either side of your head, then stand back up. Bring your fists slightly above your head, then pull them down as you kick back with your left foot before repeating this move in the opposite direction. Put your left fist on your hip and bend your left knee to the left as you point down and to the left with your right hand and look in the same direction. Now bend your right knee to the right as you point up and to the right with your right hand and look in the same direction. Look at the camera again and bend your left knee to the left as you extend the thumb of your right hand and motion over your right shoulder twice. Turn your right knee to the right and motion backwards with your right hand 2 more times. Extend your right arm up and your left arm down as you bend your left knee to the left, then move your arms so that they are extended straight out to either side as you bend your right knee to the right. Bend your left knee to the left again as you move your left arm straight up and your right arm straight down, then extend both arms straight out in front of you with your palms facing the camera as you bend your right knee to the right. Cross your right arm over your left arm as you bend your knees inward. Then bend your knees outward as you cross your left arm over your right arm. Repeat this move again, then repeat all 4 counts again. Bend your elbows to bring your left hand up and your right hand down, then lean down and to the right. Bend your right knee, then straighten it, then bend it again, then straighten it before bending it once more. Face the camera, switch the positions of your arms, and repeat this move in the opposite direction. Repeat section 1 of part 2, but end by jumping slightly to bring your feet together as you lower your arms. Slowly move your arms away from your sides as you tilt your head to the right, then move them back in as you tilt your head to the left. Do this once again, then form circles with the thumbs and index fingers of both hands and swing them up to your eyes as you tilt your head to the right, then left again. Slowly move your arms out and down as you tilt your head to the right. With your arms slightly away from your sides, lean to the left, bringing your right foot off the floor. Bring your right foot down and lean to the right to bring your left foot off the floor as you begin to turn to the right. Bring your left foot down so that you are facing to the right, then lean to the left and bring your right foot off the floor. Turn so that your back is to the camera, then lower your right foot, lean to the right, and lift your left foot off the floor. Turn slightly to the right again and lower your left foot, lean to the left, and bring your right foot up. Turn so that you are facing the left and bring your right foot down, then lean to the right, bring your left foot up, and turn so that you are facing the camera. Bring your left foot back down, lean to the left, and lift your right foot off the ground. Bring your right foot down, then turn your knees in and cross your right arm over your left arm. Stand back up and uncross your arms, then repeat this move. Bend your elbows at 90-degree angles, then move your arms up and back and lean back. Repeat this move. Bend your left knee to the left as you put your right hand on your chest, then bend your right knee to the right as you put your left hand on your chest. Bend your left knee to the left as you extend your right arm straight out toward the camera and bend your wrist 3 times.